This is the mixture of water and pepper. So I would spray the leaves of my plants that this groundhog is eating. So let's start. This is my brother-in-law's mixture actually. What was your mixture? Water?
Water, we boiled it with peppers.
Pepper. What kind of pepper? It looks like jalapeno.
Jalapeno peppers.
Right?
Yes.
Okay. So this is what I'm gonna use. Cause I put also like Irish Spring. Like I cut up Irish Spring soap for those plants that are always victimized by these animals. You see this space right here? Look at this. If you look closer, it ate it. And then I have that plant here.
What ate it?
Groundhog. I saw it a couple of times already. And this one right here is, I don't know what it's called. It looks like the sweet potato, the decorative one.
Oh yes, the sweet
It
potato.
ate it too. It was so luscious, and one time I just came out to the backyard and I looked at it, it's like, what's going on? It's my jade plant, hopefully it thrives. My cousin gave me like marigold because she has the same problem. It's right here, the marigold. So the marigold is supposed to repel this groundhog. So we'll see. Right here is another vegetables. There are two same kind, and it used to be real like tall and luscious with all those leaves, and the groundhog ate them. So now they're trying to the leaves growing back. So I'm spraying with this mixture and hoping that it won't come back, or when it comes back it will not like eat it. And even my okra right here, you see how like bold it is now? So bold, and I couldn't understand how he reached over here. So I'm gonna just do it on the bottom. And my water spinach is all gone. As I was mentioning earlier, this is the Irish Spring soap. I guess it didn't even work because I had this here for weeks, and look how bold my water spinach is now. I need to replant some more. This one are zucchini. And see how like big the leaves are big, like these are like bitten already right here, right there. So now I'm gonna try to spray, and look how bold this okra is. Too much. And my zucchini, our zucchini here is like having fruits too. Oh, I can even smell it. The spiciness, the hot, it's kind of sharp. Go away. See, you want to focus on the zucchini here? There's a fruit. Right there. I'm going to just spray them in the... Oh my God. Even myself. Like how big that one is. See the one, but right there. And this one here, oh my God, it ate again. Look, this is my long, like humongous upo, the long squash, green squash, cylindrical one that is at one point almost my height, and it was still young, and now it, see, it didn't escape the groundhog.
He's enjoying your garden.
Unfortunately for me. See another okra. And these are my bitter melon. I thought that it's not gonna touch it, but look. Didn't even get scared of the bitterness of the taste. I thought that it wouldn't, like even this one, look. You see?
You almost hit me.
That was the purpose. Just kidding.
Oh, really good.
Here, look. It's like the one you buy from the store.
But this one has a bite. The birds are biting it. Get it.
That's what I'm saying. Let's do it now. Just be careful. And then there's like more behind
Ay,
you.
sayang.
Oh gosh. Right there. Can you reach? Oh,
Nice.
alright.
Turn around.
Turn around.